Thank you. It gives me it's a huge privilege and an honour to present Ma Nonu with his 100th cap tonight. He's the 6th New Zealander to play 100 tests for the All Blacks. It's a huge achievement just to play one test, let alone 100. And tonight, mate, you should be extremely proud. As I know at home, your mum and dad, your wife Andrea, your 3 boys, Mercury, Michael and McLaren, will all be sitting there with a huge smile on their face. And I know the boys standing here are extremely proud of what you've achieved in playing your 100th test. I guess like all players, you've had your ups and downs over the 13 years as an All Black, but it's a testament to your hard work, determination, that you're still putting out performances like that tonight. I thought about how I'd sum up Ma Nonu as an All Black and as a person, and I'd say he's loyal to his teammates, would give anything to the jersey, would give anything to the brothers beside him. He cares deeply about the legacy of the All Blacks and does everything he can to add to it. All the boys see the hard work you put in, mate. All the hard work so you can play like a champion every week. Ma Nonu's All Black number 1031. He's a proud Samoan New Zealander who's a champion All Black, who represents his family, his teammates and his country with a huge amount of pride and respect. Tonight, mate, on behalf of the All Blacks, everyone here and everyone in the rugby world, we salute you on 100 tests. Congratulations.
Just want to thank God for the many blessings. Praise to the Lord. I'd like to thank my family, mum and dad, my wife and kids. I'd like to thank my brothers, the ABs and the ABs management. Love yous forever, my brothers. Brotherhood hard. Thank you, Skip, Mantis. Thanks to all the supporters and thanks, Tonga. Thank you.
Cap joining Richie McCaw himself, Kevin Milani, Tony Woodcock and Dan Carter, who's having played 100 test matches